the channel. Today I'm finally gonna be doing the garage floor, and guess what we're doing? Okay, ton of boxes here. This is the Swisstrax. Obviously I watch a lot of videos from Upset's Garage. Anyway, I placed my order. They came in within probably I would say maybe a week or two. I ordered the pearl gray. I did some little colors, but we'll see how much. I want to wait and show you guys what I did. I did the 3D configurator on the Swisstrax website, and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Looks like I'm back in a little bit too close to Civic, but anyway, I bought this circular saw kit. I needed a way to cut the tiles, and I wasn't sure what a tile cutter would do, if it would help or whatnot, but I thought this would be quicker and easier, get the smoothest cut, because obviously my garage floor isn't the straightest thing, and there's gonna be a lot of different cuts I'm gonna be doing on these edges. All right, first thing to do is get the cars out, and we'll go from there. Next thing I'm gonna do is go and get all this up, sweep, and get everything going. So I'll just do probably a time lapse or a time warp. Someone give me an idea to do that. So let's do that. All right, ran into a slight problem. Of course, these edge pieces, I ordered the wrong ones. So if you do it, I did the looped at the end. I think I should have did the straight edge. So luckily this time the kids that retired them for now have Gus over here helping me out. So here we go, we're gonna continue this again. Alright, so here's the floor after it's all done. I ended up doing actually the gray border all the way down with the black. You can see here. Put some light on. And I did M colors on both borders here because the way my garage was set up, there was no way I could possibly get that pattern moved over the way that it went out to do it. So I decided just to kind of offset here. And right now you have the M colors. Let's go there and M colors here. Now, for some crazy reason, I would change cars, get different, different brand. Let's say if I get that Lamborghini that different on the wall, I would just do the Italian colors. So I could always change out. I could pop this out. And the cool thing about the Swisstraks is that they always stay clean. So as little dirt and granules, they just fall into the bottom. And you're gonna ask, well, how do you clean it? Well, I can clean it annually. So every year I could just, lift these up, pull it off, and leave a leaf blower and blow it out. Or I could just put a vacuum on top and just, shop back and suck everything up. It's all, if I have spills, I just changed more oil in the M3 the other day, and I spilled some oil, and I was able to pop the tiles out and clean the floor and put the tiles back in. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I like it. I did use a jigsaw and a circular saw to do the cutting on the edges. My wall isn't quite flush, so that's just how it went there. But here's all the cuts I did there with the going to these edges and stuff. And then here, and I guess the complication that I ran into was actually wasn't here, but it was actually on the edge. And if you notice, when Gus and I were doing it, like, he had to lift up the edge, and the reason why I called him to come over, because I was getting stuck. when you order these, and I didn't pay attention when Obsessed Garage has it, but when you order these, you should do it. These edge pieces should be not the peg, but the loop style. That way I have a flat edge here and I can lift it up. Because what was happening was at each edge, I was having to lift up and tuck in the peg as opposed to just dropping it down that way. So essentially, if I was doing it that way, I should have started here and worked my way out towards the edge of the garage. But overall, I'm happy. I've had this floor for a few weeks now, and it's been great. I really like it. A quick overview of the floor. All right, so I promised my son that if his grades stay up, I will publish his review of the G80 M3 that he saw at CarMax a couple months ago. So at the end of this video, we're gonna watch that, and I thought it was cute. He was trying to, I think I don't know if he was imitating me or watched my videos, but he did everything sort of like I did and reviewed the car. So there's Lexi now, getting back from her walk, her and Oliver. That scared him?
Yeah. You made a mess. I'm gonna bite the mic.
And also, you don't know if I noticed, but I put a TV up here. Now it looks small, I agree. I thought I was going to get I thought it was going to be like a bigger screen. I knew the 43-inch, but I guess on this bare wall, it looks almost like a 32. Oh well, it was on sale during Christmas time. I bought it, and I'm like, you know what? It's a TV to have in here. It's not like it's not gonna spend a lot of time, but it's nice when I'm doing stuff with the cars and just have something playing in the background, and watching some other things. Sometimes I rewatch my videos to see what I can do differently or things that I can improve on. But thank you everybody for watching, and tell me what you think of the vlog so far. And here's the garage with the cars are parked on it. Now the weight, people are asking about the weight. I believe a certain crazy amount, like 12 or 70,000. Honestly, I don't know, but I know it's, from what I'm doing, it's not a lot of weight. I mean, from what I'm doing, I'm never going to get close to breaking these with the weight that they can support. So all right, so I promised my son, I said, you know what, your grades stay up, I'll show you the review, I'll publish it so everybody can see it. So he really wanted you guys to see his review of the G80 M3. He saw it at CarMax the other day with his mom, and he was like, he was telling me about it. He sent me the video, and he really was happy about his video. So I did a quick edit on it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a car that I might or might not get, but look at this car. You will be shocked if you guys see this. Look at this, guys. The BMW M3 competition. $96,998. It's sick. I'll show you guys the interior. So this is the back seat. So, back seat. Seat belts. Oh yeah, and the seat belts have the red and blue. And I think those are the air conditioning, heated seats actually. And actually, this is a black spoiler. Nothing. It's carbon fiber on the top. Alright, so this is what the steering wheel is like. This is like the stuff, like the hand, and then the get a good view. Don't see it myself. And this is like the transmission thing here. No, that's the what's it, the gearbox? No, not the. Okay. This is the car. Sharp mirrors, quad exhaust, carbon fiber. What is it called? Performance turbocharged engine. That is what I want to see. It's 20 inches plus wheels. CDR